Hello, friends, how are you? I hope you are having a nice time and you're taking benefit from the educational videos. So, friends, this video is about soul plays. So, yes, my friends, each one of you, each one of you, twin flames or soulmate, divine masculine and divine feminine, you guys have a soul place individually or together, and in many cases both individually and also together. You have different places where your soul swells up, expands, feels nice, is very happy. That is the place which connects your soul to your higher self or to the higher divine. That is where you feel most comfortable. This soul place could be a place in nature, somewhere in the hills, somewhere near the waterfall, somewhere where you were born, somewhere where you lived and worked, somewhere where your parents live now, in a small town or village, a small spot near the pond where you used to sit as a child. I'm getting goosebumps. It can be a place in the hills clad with snow which you used to watch as a small little child. It can be any such place. It can be a place of worship for many. I'm seeing a Gurudwara, a temple, and again I'm getting goosebumps, heavy goosebumps. Chills running down from head to toe in my body. Severe chills. For some, it could be a place of worship, like I described. Again, I'm getting chills. For some, it could be a swing that your father placed in your house and you used to swing on it as a child. For somebody, it could be that big banyan tree in your grandmother's house. It could be anything. It is a place where your soul feels comfortable. It is a geographical place. It is a geographical space, a geographical area. It could be an area in another country. Maybe you are an Indian, but the sole place that you have is in Europe, amidst the snow-clad mountains of Switzerland, or Prague, or Czechoslovakia, Czech Republic. It could be anywhere. I'm also being shown Russia as a country. For some of you, your soul place lies in Russia somewhere. For some of you, your soul place is the marketplaces of Egypt, the camels running to and fro with the traders. It could be a solitude filled place like the mountains, the greenery, the landscapes, the meadows, or it could be even a busy marketplace. Everybody's soul is different. Everybody's soul yearns for different things. But all of you most definitely have a soul place, or even more than one soul place. Or maybe both of you twins, the divine masculine and divine feminine, together have a soul place where you felt very connected with each other and connected with the third power, which is the divine, who brought you onto the twin flame journey. This soul place makes you feel very loving and radiate love to the rest of humanity. It makes you feel very high vibrational. When you reach that place, you feel so happy, just like you used to feel as a little kid playing around. Ecstasy is the feeling that you feel. Immense joy, like a fountain of bliss in this soul place. For somebody, this soul place could be the run of Kutch, filled with white sand for as long as you can see. For someone, it could be the desert of Rajasthan, filled with sand dunes as far as your eyes go. Again, I'm getting chills. I am connecting with some of your energies who have these soul places. That is why I get chills when I connect with your energy and it deeply resonates with somebody. And divine wants me to give this knowledge to you. That is why I get chills. That is why I get goosebumps. The pure divine energy is running through me as I channel for all of you. For somebody, this place could be in Orissa. I am being shown some big temple which is very touristy in Orissa. Right now, I can't place the name, but I know many of you will. A very famous temple in Orissa. That is where your soul places. Again, I'm getting chills. I do a lot of channelings, both public and personal, every day. And when I get chills and goosebumps, it is a very sure sign that I'm connecting with somebody who this information is truly meant for. I know all you twin flames are benefiting a lot from this information, from these videos, from this knowledge. And that is my purpose, to educate you, to make you stronger, to make you lose all the beliefs which are not true, to make you truly empowered and truly educated with the right kind of information. This soul place gives you so much peace and happiness that you don't want anything in the world when you are there. When you are there, you forget all your sadness, all your sorrows, all the obstacles that your life has presented onto you without the twin flame and with the twin flame. This soul place is a place where your heart chakra starts rotating very fast. It heals itself because of the surrounding energy, because you feel one with that place. Your soul was always meant to be in that place. Maybe you lived in South Africa or America or the UK, or Singapore, but your soul, you took your body to all these different places thinking that this will make you successful, career wise or personally, somebody who went through marriage, or somebody who went for studying, or somebody who went for a job, or somebody whose parents took them there and they were born there, although they belong to a different nationality or a different nation. So even though you may have gone to these different nations, there is one place in some other country or some other city or some other geographical area or some other continent which always calls upon you. And when you go there, you feel this intense peace and union within yourself. That is where your soul belongs. That is where you should have actually lived, although your body lived somewhere else all through this lifetime. But you are supposed to be in that soul place. That is your grid. That is your geographical area. That is your grid area from where you will radiate your intense light to attract your twin. Meaning that if it is at all possible for you to go to that soul place, it will be much easier for you to connect with your divine masculine at that spot. Because at that spot, your soul will be totally cleansed, your soul will be pure, your soul will be devoid of all the garbage that we are trying to remove in the form of inner work. And when your soul is clean, your clean soul will call upon your divine masculine to be one. So the more you go to your soul place, or the more you go to that nature place which is meant for you, the more you will invite your union, or the more you will prepone your union. So friends, it is very important for you to visit or revisit your soul place if you already have the knowledge of what or where that soul place for you is. If you don't have that knowledge, the only thing you can do is get a reading about it or start traveling to different places so that you can find out that where you feel that connection with the divine, in which spot you feel that connection with the divine, and find out yourself. So friends, as I've always told you, Personal services are much required, and they are in the description box of all educational videos. You should go there and get yourself a personal service, starting with the twin flame reading, moving on to an inner work list, and then us doing healing sessions on you, and then finally you are ready for union and you're good to go on your own. Personal services or any general public work cannot replace personal services. Personal services are just meant for you and you alone, and they tell you entirety of information related to your own personal twin flame journey with your divine masculine. Thank you so much, my friends. Love you all.